Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a pecan pie. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need one 9-inch pie crust. I'm going to use our cream cheese pie crust, 4 eggs, 2 cups of pecans, a cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of light corn syrup, 5 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of molasses, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll start by preheating our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and melting our 5 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for about a minute. Then, we'll beat our 4 eggs in a large bowl and whisk in our 5 tablespoons of melted butter, our cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of light corn syrup, half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of vanilla, and tablespoon of molasses until well combined. Next, we'll put our 2 cups of pecans in a large Ziploc bag and roughly crush them with a rolling pin before stirring them into the rest of our mixture. Then, we'll fill our 9-inch pie crust with the mixture from our bowl and bake our pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes. It's been 55 minutes, so we'll check our pie for doneness. The pie should have a little jiggle but be mostly set. Our pie is done, so we'll remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for at least 3 hours before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.